There's an age-old theory that given an infinite amount of time, 100 chimps with 100 typewriters would eventually write the works of Shakespeare. Today on Hysteria, we'll see if that's true.
Looks like we've got something here. To be or not to be? That is the